Hello everybody, it's Mr. A with AlisalCAN Community Arts Network and AlisalCAN Union School District. In this video we're going to do the exercise called Harmonics. Harmonics is what is known as speeding up or doubling or tripling a vibration. You're going to see these intertwined lines or ropes. Clicking on this lowest one is going to make it vibrate and hold a note. It's pinched at both ends and it makes one type of low sound. If you pinch it in the middle and cut it in half, it doubles the sound. It makes it go one octave higher. We talked about octaves in Songmaker. If you pinch it in two places, it doesn't quite double it. Okay? Breaking it into three makes it make a middle sound. If you pinch it in four places, that cuts the second one in half again, and this gives you another octave. So octave, octave, octave. Not octave. We'll get back to this one. If you pinch it 5 times, it goes up again, and yet this is another note. There's no octave matching. If you pinch it 6 times, this is like cutting it in half from when it was 3. You get an octave here and an octave here. Swing it back across all of them. It sounds quite nice. But yes, that is the definition of harmonic. If you come up to the top corner on the right and click the question mark, there's a little paragraph that says basically what I just said. The harmonic series is a set of frequencies meaning how fast something vibrates, with a simple relationship. Twice as fast, 3 times as fast, 4 times, and so on. Musical intervals, an interval is the distance between two sounds, emerge from this natural phenomenon, such as the octave that I just talked about, and the major chord. Sounds like the opening notes of Star Spangled Banner. Clicking away from that. Those are the opening notes of Star Spangled Banner. Boom, 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 so on and so forth. That is harmonics. This is going to be very related to the concept explored in the strings video, which I suggest that you click on next. See you guys there.